Very good.
You get a star out.
Yeah. Can you get it started? There you go.
50.
Why did you get a star?
Because I did a good job on it.
You did do a good job. Can you show me?
Right there. See?
There's your stars.
Oh, where is that going to be?
I don't know. Let's see.
What bird is it going to be?
Oh my gosh. Is it a bird that says who?
Let's see what bird it can be. A bird that says who is it a do? It might be Mommy, but this is find out if it is.
Oh, don't miss the 9. There you go. Okay, what is it?
Eagle.
Oh, it's an eagle. I thought it was an owl.
I did a good job on that one. I'm going to get a star. What number is it? Oh, 16. Oh, 17. That has a polar bear.
Oh my gosh, there's a polar bear.
16. There we go. Help me put a star in there. It's stuck to my finger.
Gold star.
What number is that?
That is 64.